If you want to produce a great video, you're going to need great sounding audio along with your picture. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to select the right shotgun mic for each situation. Just as a good camera person carefully decides between using normal, wide angle, or telephoto lenses, a skilled sound mixer will also choose from a selection of shotgun or boom microphones, depending on what works best for the shot. Most professional sound mixers go out with multiple, high-quality, sensitive condenser shotgun mics with various pickup patterns. Some will even equip their sound carts with specialty mics that would fall in between these common patterns. At the consumer end of the scale, you can find inexpensive shotgun mics intended to provide better audio than built-in mics found on camcorders and DSLRs. These mics, like the AT8024, come with simple camera mounting hardware and are configured with stereo mini connectors so they can plug directly into consumer devices. For a professional production, an electric condenser short shotgun, sometimes referred to as an ENG or video shotgun, is the logical choice. This AT897 shotgun mic is extremely popular for news, documentary, corporate videos, and lower budget independent productions. Shotgun mics of this type tend to be very rugged and provide balanced XLR audio output. They operate from standard phantom power or can use an internal AA battery if your recording device does not provide it. If you are going to use phantom power, you should take the battery out. ENG or video shotgun mics are very directional in pattern. On set, they are referred to as short shotguns. Shotguns have much greater reach than general application handheld mics. Note that these video shotguns sound their best at not more than 3.5 or 4 feet overhead. 2 to 3 feet is ideal. Any higher than that, the talent will start sounding thinner and more ambient. Always use the foam windscreen, even indoors, to guard against wind noise from air vents or moving the mic on a boom pole. Outdoors, invest in a thicker aftermarket slide-on windscreen. Most shotgun mics feature a built-in switch for rolling off excess bass frequencies. Wind, distant traffic rumble, and some handling vibration are all examples of low-frequency noise that are reduced by using this setting. The symbol that looks like a bent line stands for low-frequency roll-off. Most mixers will use it all of the time for dialogue, in the studio or on location. The low frequencies being held back fall below normal speaking range, so that dialogue comes across cleaner and easier to hear. The only time that you should use the flat setting is when recording music or special sound effects in a controlled situation with the mic securely shock mounted and anchored on a stand. Condenser shotgun mics used on feature films and episodic TV cost a bit more and require phantom power from the mixer or recorder. They give us a richer sound and even greater reach. A condenser short shotgun, such as this BP4073, has a similar pickup pattern as an ENG short shotgun, but is way more sensitive. Whereas the ENG shotgun sounds good at 3 feet overhead, these true condenser general-purpose short shotguns sound better, even at 6 feet overhead. They are the most common choice for indoor shooting. Long shotgun mics, such as this BP4071, are the best choice for exterior shots. Mics like this have an extremely tight pattern as well as the longest reach. Indoors or outdoors if it's not too noisy, these mics can play 9 feet overhead, sometimes even further. The long shotguns have the most side rejection, which is important when you're battling outdoor background noise. They are even more effective if you can lower the boom closer to the actors and work only 2 or 3 feet overhead. When using long shotguns indoors, the boom operator has to be extremely precise in aiming the mic at talent. At short range, miss the mark by just several inches and the actor will sound noticeably off mic. The other problem with using a long shotgun indoors is reverberation. The tighter the pickup pattern of the mic, the more echo it magnifies in a closed room. With a wider pattern, you actually end up hearing less acoustic reverb. Since a wider mic has weaker side rejection along with less reach, you may hear more physical background noise even though there won't be as much echo. Move the microphone down closer to the talent to compensate. Indoors, side noise is usually less of a problem than echo. When it's time to shoot the close-up or medium close-up, sound mixers switch out to a condenser cardioid boom mic, such as the AT4051, which is a wider pickup pattern than a general-purpose short shotgun or a long shotgun. Deploy the wider angle boom mic not more than 2 feet overhead of the actor, or else the dialogue may get thinned out by ambient room sound. Used at short range, these wide-angle boom mics will make echo seemingly disappear while adding richness and depth to the sound of the close-up. AUDIO-TECHNICA has the right shotgun mic for every application. In the video studio or on location, AUDIO-TECHNICA has you covered.